How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, under the How You Use Instagram tab, you will see the option for your activity. Tap on that and then scroll down, and you will see the option for account history under the How You Use Instagram tab. Tap on the account history option and further, you will see various options. Here on top of your screen, you will see the update type dropdown. Tap on the update type dropdown and you will see the option for bio. So select the bio radio button and tap on the apply option you see there. Further, you will be able to view all your bio history. Simply tap on the clear all option on top of your screen, and with this, all your bio history will be cleared. So, this is how you can delete account bio history on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.